Unlock the secrets to crafting dreamy, nostalgic lofi visuals with Midjourney, perfectly suited for artistic expression and moments of calm. Today, we're diving deep into the art of generating beautiful lofi images that evoke a sense of warmth and gentle imperfection, all powered by AI. The foundation of fantastic lofi art lies in your prompt. Think about evocative keywords that capture that signature feel. Start with descriptions of your subject matter, like a cozy cafe corner or a vintage bookshelf. Then, weave in elements that define the lofi aesthetic. Add terms like soft focus, gentle grain, muted color palette, or nostalgic atmosphere to guide the AI towards your desired look. Now, let's explore those essential Midjourney parameters that will fine-tune your lofi creations. For that characteristic soft, dreamy quality, playing with the style settings is key. You might want to experiment with lower values for less defined edges, or try a specific artistic style. Consider using parameters that encourage a less sharp, more painterly feel. This helps to reduce harshness and embrace the gentle imperfections of vintage media. To truly nail the lofi look, pay attention to the subtle addition of film grain. This texture is what instantly transports us to a bygone era. With these prompt strategies and parameter adjustments, you can consistently create captivating lofi images that are as relaxing as they are aesthetically pleasing. Start creating your own tranquil lofi art today.